Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 78. Let's see if no, I don't think the e-brake works. Been sitting for quite a while. Probably still needs maybe a little carb work. Fuel gauge comes up all the time to a quarter, but we filled it up and it still stayed at a quarter. See down there, good oil pressure. Yeah, I know the blower works. Radio's unhooked. Blinkers, oh heck, I know blinkers don't work. They're missing in the back there. Got some exhaust noise. But the headlights do work. So, we're looking for a project that isn't a rust bucket, that's affordable for a Ford. Give me a call, 605-695-73